Hi, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do a quick video because I've been neglecting my YouTube channel for 2 months now. I'm not putting any content out, so I thought I'd give you a quick update on what I've been doing and what's been happening bike wise. So I've been busy with work. That's one of the main reasons I've not been creating anything. Second reason is I've changed the bike. The Blackbird has gone. Now, first off, I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to the channel so far. I've hit the 100 subscriber milestone, which is very small in terms of YouTube, but it's fantastic for me because it means at least somebody's actually watching these videos and subscribing. If you've been subscribing just because it's the Blackbird, unfortunately, I have sold it. It would be nice if you do continue to subscribe and stay with me, as you may like the new bike and what I'm going to do with it. But I understand if you want to leave. But it has been great having you, so if you decide to stay, that'd be fantastic. You might be asking, why did I get rid of the Blackbird? I've had this little bit of an itch for the last year that I wanted to get this particular type of bike behind me. The Blackbird has been a fantastic bike, really quick, brilliant handling, but I wasn't doing it justice really, and the type of riding I've been doing has been mainly country lanes, out in the Peak District, and I've got a little bit sick and tired of coming back aching, wrists aching, and also being bounced out the seat quite a few times on the really potholed roads that are out there. So I decided I would part exchange the Blackbird for this one. Another reason was the ongoing maintenance that was needed for the Blackbird. It was definitely due a suspension overhaul, and I was also looking at doing the brakes, and then it's got onto a massive list of things I wanted to do, which if I was going to keep the bird for another 10-20 years, it'd be worth doing, but I decided to let it go. So the new bike, I'll show what I've got in a second, but I've already started buying a few bits and pieces that I want to change on it. There's a screen missing here. The screen is off currently, as I just had a new one delivered from eBay. Without further ado, I'll show you what I bought. And here it is. Some of you are probably thinking, oh no, not a GS, but yeah, it is a 2009 BMW R1200 GS Adventure. It's a bike I've been looking at for quite some time, and I saw this one for sale, and I went and had a look at it, and it was in really nice condition. I got a good deal on the Blackbird, so here it is. I've already started making a few changes. Obviously the screen's off at the moment. I've got a new one I'm just about to put on, so that will be on for the next video. I've also got some spotlights I'm going to add. These are the Chinese Co-Light. Just messing around with the mounts at the moment and just getting it prepped to do another video on those. I've bought a Texcan battery management system to enable me to operate the lights a little bit better. I'll do a video on that as well at some point, probably the next week or two, as I get that fitted and get these lights operational. What else? Let's show you around. So the bike did come with a full set of panniers. I'm just using the top box at the moment. Don't really need the panniers on, but I will be getting used to start doing some camping, which I hope to do this year at some point. There's my tent and cooking gear. You'll notice the screen, if you watch the Blackbird one about updating your modernising your bike, that's the Lanto screen. It did fasten on there, no problems at all. The bike's got 19,000 miles on. It's a 2009 and it's in pretty decent condition. But I'll get some better pictures of it shortly, and we'll get out on the road. Lens protector to fit, and also some new wind guards. Main reason these are just cracked a little bit around the mount points, and they started to yellow a little bit, so I've got some light tint ones which are going to fit on, which will match the screen. So far I've been riding the bike for around about a month, and it has been absolutely fantastic. Seating position, riding position is brilliant. No more aching back or wrist. It's nice that if you get a cramp you can stand up and still operate the controls in the stood up position, so I really like that. Handling wise, yes, it's not as sharp as the Blackbird, but it still handles really well, especially with that low down centre of gravity on the Boxer engine. One thing I did miss straight away as soon as I picked it up and rode it away from the showroom was the lack of speed, but that's not what it's all about. But at the usual legal speed limit, it's absolutely fine. Another reason I wanted this type of bike is I've just passed my ROSPA advanced riding test, and I'm planning on becoming a blood biker, and they tend to use GSs, and I thought it'd be a good thing to have this to ride and practice on my days off, and when I'm doing the blood bikes it will transfer over. So please stay tuned as I modify the bike, little light modifications on the bike, and take it out for a ride and get some nice scenic shots, do a bit of camping. I've got another camera as well. I've got the new Insta360 X5, so hopefully get some nice multi-angle shots for these videos. So stay tuned. Thank you.